Hey ladies, we're gonna give ourselves a self tan. I have self tanned for over 20 years and I'm trying this product out and I'm telling you right now, it is going viral and it is half price. So you wanna make sure you grab this. I will have it in my cart below. This is the results from yesterday. I did one leg and I left the other leg where I didn't have any self tanner on it. So I just wanted to show you the difference. And today I'm going to show my stomach how to tan it. Now, I have all kinds of tips and tricks when it comes to self tanning because I've been doing this so long. So I'm just going to show you. Make sure you use a mitt. Make sure you go in circles up, down, and across because if you use your hand, you're going to turn out with a tanned hand and you don't want that. So let's get started. And just like that, we are all finished. So I will come back here either tonight or tomorrow to show you the results.